Another little flash just there. This is brilliant. As you can tell, it is very early in the morning. I didn't get much sleep. It's been a very, very warm night. Temperatures are still currently into the low 20s right now. And that's supposed to be fresher today, but this isolated thunderstorm came through and it's given off some really awesome lightning bolts. I'm kind of glad I did. I can't talk. I'm kind of glad I did stay awake. And there's the sunrise behind the rain curtains. That is gorgeous.